Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Engineering Mathematics. This is supposed to be my first lecture or tutorial, you can say, as usual. Right? In the Google Classroom documents, you will find the syllabus in detail. But still, I will mention here the name of the chapters. Integration covers almost 50% of it. And Laplace is the second chapter that you have, which also covers 50% of it, 30 marks each, right? And there is differential equation which is of 10 marks, which is just for home assignment. So we will be studying it in a very special way. We will teach you in brief, and you have to find out applications of differential equations in your own fields. And you will have to submit an assignment, small home assignment on that, right? Well, here I will answer a few questions. First one is, again, why mathematics? Well, one answer remains the same, that in the engineering body, mathematics is the blood which makes it agile, which makes it move from here and there. You take out blood from body becomes immobile, can't do much. So mathematics gives the dynamics to every engineering field, otherwise it's just theoretical, stationary. Any kind of prediction, any kind of calculations, any kind of system control has to be done through mathematics, right? And as I often tell, in ITI you have almost 20-30% of mathematics. In diploma you have 40 to 60% of mathematics in all subjects. In engineering you will have 60 to 80% of mathematics. If you go for masters, you will have 80 to 90% in mathematics prevailing in all subjects. And if you go for research, you will have to put up everything mathematically, almost 90+%, unless it's a theoretical based research. So mathematics is डिग्री की जान है, मैं ऐसा बोलूँगा, right? Without mathematics you can become an engineer, but you may not be able to create dynamic things, or you'll have to hire such people. Both ways it's possible, no problem. But it's there in this part of syllabus, and we want you to become good engineers, dynamic engineers. So mathematics, you befriend them, that's good, right? Second thing, I would like to remind you of smart studies. We are a polytechnic or engineering, so we are high on techniques, high on good techniques or habits. We don't want to do too much of rote practices. Learn the techniques so much so that you can solve any problem. Of course, for practice and confidence we need to solve some problems, but it's not that 10, 20, 100 problems we will solve, then only we learn the technique. It shouldn't be like that. So every step will be like intelligence put up. Additionally, intelligence is put up, and then you write the next step. So it carries some marks. Otherwise, we don't write. Right. And in last time also I told you about what is integration, opposite of differentiation. So Shinde sir has already taken some classes. I gave you the links. They are put on the Google Classroom. You go through them. We thought that we will not repeat the same thing, So some classes he will prepare, some classes I will prepare and put up. So you work on them. I hope you have already worked on them, because I told you to go through them, and if you have any doubts, put them on the WhatsApp. So at 3:30 I will have a discussion. We'll try to have a discussion if network permits. Otherwise, of course, WhatsApp is there. We can call and discuss out. Right. Well, one more word regarding the home assignment, that is on differential equations. So equations composing of differentiation. So from diploma to degree, the major change is going to be dynamicity. Things are going to become very dynamic. Every quantity will have rate of change, and as we studied, it's going to be differentiation. Rate of change is differentiation, just like rate of change of charge q with respect to time is current. If there is a rate of change in the current, it induces inductance. So these are all differentiation. And when you develop these electrical or electronic systems, you will find differentials operating or part of the system. So systems give rise to differential equations, and equations need to be solved. So that's the differential equation. So electrical system, electronic system, or a mechanical system, they follow some differential equations. So in this lecture itself, I am going to give you the home assignment of the semester, which I expect to be submitted before the last home assignment. The last, it will be test, I guess. Yeah. The last thing that we'll have, first is assignment number 1, assignment number 2, and last will be a test. So in the week of the test, I expect you to submit. Those who are done, they can submit beforehand also. So it pertains to differential equation. You will find out an application in your own area, electrical or electronics or mechanical, and have a write-up of maybe 3-4 pages. So you have a title page and next 4 pages. So if you say just 3 sheets are sufficient for me, title page, first sheet, and other 2 sheets, so they have 4 pages back to back. You can use them, 4 or 5 pages, that's it, sufficient. And if time permits, we'll have a presentation by you, and we'll ask some questions. Based on that, you will get some home assignment marks out of 10. So if you see the journals, you will find 2 marks for regularity, 5 marks for discipline and your involvement in the experiment, and 3 marks for presentation. So similarly, some marks are there. I think I have. Yeah, I have. 3 marks are for students' self-study. So what is what is you doing there? 5 marks for solving the question, that your application mainly, and 2 marks for timely submission. Is the same thing almost, right? So it's there in the syllabus sheet. You can go through for details. And yeah. Now sometimes Shinde sir, you will be attending Shinde sir's class online or recorded one, or mine. If you have problems, what are you going to do? Well, I am your teacher, so you can send photographs of whatever problem you have and how much ever you could do. You will not send just problem. You will send a problem with how much you could do. Right? So it's not that you just give problem and expect a solution. You have to try your way, try your best, and we'll have a discussion on the group. If someone could come up with the answer, fine. If not, it's my responsibility to answer all questions. No problem. Fine. Well, in the documents given in the Google Classroom, you will find tutorial sheets also, which you are expected to do, right? Or we are expected to do together. But because of Corona, we will be doing it together, but at your own places. I am here at my place and you are there at your place. You can try. If you have any questions, we will discuss out. Whatever is not able to discuss or come to a conclusion, I will be solving it for all of you. Okay? Thank you. Bye. We'll meet at 3:30 p.m. today.